What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about my 2004 WRX. We're going to talk about the goods, the bads, and the plans for it. Let's get into it. Lowpes sweaters are back in stock right in time for the chilly weather. Check them out, a nice little sweater, comfortable, 45 Canadian dollars, shipping can be arranged anywhere, you'll figure it out. Support the brand, support the cause, support the channel, let's get it. So this is how she's looking on the exterior. It's a little rough, but it's gonna need some loving. I feel like all my Subarus are rough and need loving, but we will get there. As you can see, we'll talk about the exterior issues and then we'll get into the interior issues, and then maybe, if I don't wanna feel like crying or anything like that, we'll get into what's going on in the engine bay. But overall, it's a pretty clean car, not gonna lie. Body's not too bad for the year and the amount of winners this thing's driven. We have a few little dents, as you can see, probably in the fenders, but that's not a problem because my plan for this car is to do probably the sedan front end on it, and that will hopefully get better fenders, a better bumper, some bumper covers, the fog covers, a better grille because that one's all mashed up too, and another fender. So I am in search of that in WRB. Try not to paint it. I'm trying to see if I can get a paint matcher ready to save me a little bit of money. The headlights are absolutely brutal. This is going to definitely need some love. In a future episode, I'm going to show you how to buff headlights with two products. One is a lemon and the other is baking soda. It's going to be a bit of an experiment. I'm excited to try that out. Let me know if you guys want to see down below, and let me know if you guys have ever heard of anything like that. The windshield has a nice little crack in it, which I will get fixed once this thing is up and running as a daily. Windshield wipers need a little bit of love, obviously. Maybe we can get that kind of powder coated sorted out, and then just tiny bit of bubbling right around there, as you guys can see. But no side skirts are on just yet, and this is probably the bubbling I have around here, so it's not horrible. Mind you guys, this is going to be kind of, you know, a winter warrior car, a daily beast in a sense. Not saying it's going to be that crazy, but that's what we're talking about. We have all sorts of stickers on here. As you can see, we support Grimspeed. I think that's understeer, thumbs down. Boats, fishing, yeah, I'm okay with that one. Legit, car's damn legit. CSES, that's pretty cool, and e-tronic. So this car has a few goodies on it. We'll talk about what's on the car also. I'm just gonna show you the exterior as we speak and what's probably done bolt-on wise and all that type of stuff. I think this is a very common issue for a lot of Subarus, but we will definitely fix most likely that also. But aside from that, the body of the car is quite clean. The interior of this car is in alright condition. I shot an interior detailing video and all the footage from that got corrupted. Good job, memory card. So unfortunately I couldn't show you guys, but this car was sitting for about 7 years and it was looking super rough, and we got it looking a lot cleaner. As you can see, door panels are all decently okay. Got a little bit of crack over here. Let's grab a seat. All the panels and everything in the front looks all pretty good. We got some old school Alpine deck here, air appropriate probably, and then definitely going to need a shift knob. What do you guys think? Should I go cob? Comment down below what shift knob you guys would like to see in the car. And once again, even like these door panels and everything, and these fittings look a little loose, so we will tidy that up definitely. In the interior, everything's pretty stock. I can see I have a cable from most likely it was a Cobb unit, so I am in the market for Cobb also. And then nice little steering wheel. This was disgusting when I cleaned this, guys. It was so dirty. It was crazy how dirty this car was. Like, I really wish that video didn't get corrupted because I really want to show you guys how I do some interior detailing, and this was the perfect car to shoot because of how dirty it was. These seats here have a few little burn holes from cigarettes and whatnot, but it's not too bad. Like I said, for the year of the car, it's not horrible. I would like to definitely get new seats, maybe some STI seats. What do you guys think? Should I do some blue STI seats in here, or maybe get a newer year of WRX seats? How many of you guys wish yours actually kind of came out like that? What's up? This is probably the worst thing on these Subarus because it's so hard to open them, but this one actually comes out. My bug eye was so hard to come out, but this one actually came out. I'm super happy about that. The littlest things make me happy sometimes in life. The rear, once again, door paneling look all okay. And then the rear bunks, as you can see, I've removed everything because I cleaned underneath this completely. It's a little rusted, as expected for the year. I still have to basically install the backings of the seats, but door jambs, everything look pretty clean. Not gonna complain. Most of the goodies that this car received was within the engine bay. As you can see here, I believe this is a Mishimoto rad. Got some rad hosing, some parent inlet piping all around, and some piping around here also. And we have ourselves a wonderful, wonderful oil leak around here. So I definitely got to figure out where that's coming from, and we will see what's going on with that. It's probably hard to tell, but you can tell the car is lowered. It is on I believe a KYB strut with a spring on there, and I actually have a dampening tool to change the dampening. The car actually rides pretty good for what it is, and yeah, rockers are all pretty mushy as always. Gonna have to put a side skirt on there sometime soon, and I'll show you the ones that actually came with the car. It's pretty cool. As you see, I have the 2 sets of side skirts sitting here. So these silver ones are AIT Racing side skirts. Are these rare? I'm not too sure. Let me know, Subaru guys. Should I paint these guys? It's a little bulky, definitely, and probably look good on a nice wide body kit. Should I paint these guys or just go with the OEM ones and paint those guys and install them? We'll definitely see restoring these two sometime soon. But that came with the car. Got 2 sets of side skirts. Pretty cool, pretty happy. Car came with an SDI exhaust and an up pipe. Not sure what brand the up pipe is, but sounds not too bad. Like there's a good amount of sound to it, and I'm actually pretty happy. It's knock on some type of wood. It's running pretty good. A few little things we have to fix to get it operational. Guess down below how much I paid for this car by the condition of what you've seen so far. Whoever gets it right will get a free merch pack sent to you by me. We'll get some Lowpes merch, goodies, sticker pack, something along those lines. What I had to do so far to get this car up and running, which may help your guessing how much I paid. I needed to do brake lines, as you guys saw in the video. If not, check out the video. I basically drove this over 100 kilometers with no brakes whatsoever except an e-brake. Sketchiest thing I've ever done, hands down. Do not do it, I do not advise. And I did brake pads and rotors all around. One of the caliper brackets, the slider pins, are seized, so I'm definitely gonna have to change that also. But overall, the car's condition isn't horrible for a winter beater in a sense, right? So I'm still gonna take care of it. I'm not gonna beat on it extremely, but I'm excited to do some drift videos in the snow and actually play around with it and actually get some winter footage, because this time I'm gonna take full advantage of our winter. What's cool about this car is every little bit I kind of look into, I find a new part that's put onto the car. A little more here, a little more there, and I'm like, oh look, something new, something new, something new. The worth of all these parts definitely helped with how much I paid, but the engine bay definitely needs a really, really good clean. Maybe upgrade the intercooler. It doesn't look too bad, but maybe we can upgrade to an STI one. Do some small stuff to it and make it look nice. Let me know what you guys want to see done to this WRX. First probably thing's gonna be is remove all the stickers, and I'm gonna try finding that front end. And might not change the wheels just yet because winter is coming, but we'll definitely get some wheels, side skirts, and basically clean it up. We're gonna clean it up to the best of our ability and make sure it's running perfectly and really good. I definitely want to remove all these stickers here. But aside from that, this thing's actually pretty sick, and I'm super hyped that I actually have it. I've always been a Subaru fan and an older Subaru fan at it. I will be doing a few videos on this. We're gonna do like top 5 mods for it, top 5 Amazon mods, and we'll do the top 5 things you need to know about these cars before purchasing it. And possibly top 5 things you need to do after purchasing. I think those are going to be kind of cool little videos where you can learn a lot in a short period of time, and hopefully we get some cool mods for the Subaru. But yeah guys, that was just a small walk around. I just want to share the car with you. I really wish that detailing video went through. I was super excited about it, put a lot of work. I was detailing the interior probably for 3 hours, I would say, maybe 4, I'm not too sure, and I probably found about like $22 worth of coins in there, so that went towards the purchase of the car, and maybe some dinner. So Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Do it once, do it right. Peace out.